Guys, for a little while now, I've been wanting to get into the world of FPV, but I haven't got a clue where to start. So, my buddy Stevie D, he's going to come over, he's going to bring some FPV gear, let me have a little go, have a little play and get me up to the speed of how all this stuff works. So what I want to do is put a little FPV camera on this little mini crawler and then take it, build a little track around here in the workshop, have a little bit of fun and just sort of get warmed up on this kind of stuff. By the way, if you want to know where you can get this crawler from, I'm going to put a link down below. Ready? We got Steve D in the house. Got some, supposed to be FPV. Got a little FPV drone. We got radio. We got goggles. So what's this drone called?
It's the New Bee.
That's the size of it compared to the Nano. So, we've got the FPV monitor. So what are you going to try? He's got the goggles on, so he can see it from that. We can watch it from there, and he's got to do a guided tour of the workshop. I've got a challenge. You have to fly it into every room of this building.
Right, challenge accepted.
Oh, we're off. Oh, on the head. Headshot. Where are you going? Ah, I think you should not go into the toilet until you've had a bit more practice.
Yep. Slow, steady. Here we go.
Alright, workshop guided tour. Oh, there's a door there.
Hey, monster truck.
Can you go through the monster truck?
I don't want to have to go down there and pick it up.
Oh, we just heard a donk up there. Hello. All right, challenge. You got to fly it through the monster truck chassis.
Oh god. Right.
What gaps are you going to go with? Oh, window gap maybe. Oh, he's in. He's in. Oh, he's on the. Oh, it's still going. Oh, he's landed. Oh, and he's through. He's made it. He just said I can have a go. So what's the challenge? Just to be able to hover it, I guess.
Yep, just fly it.
I can't believe it's knowing what's... Oh, what? That's actually harder than I thought. I'd try and fly it first normally so I'll get the feel of it. Oh.
Oh god, no. Yes.
I know it's easy. No, the tent, not the tent. Oh, mining rig. Oh no. Oh, tent. I'm upside down. Can you land it on my phone? Hey. All right. So next, we're gonna do FPV Mini Crawler. This thing's tiny. Look at that. And we've built a track. All right. So the start line's here. By the way, guys. How do you reckon that pen got into there? And bear in mind, nothing's cut here. That's just how it is. Anyway, leave a note in the comments how you reckon that got in there. All right, so now we've got the FPV gear on. I'm brand new to the world of FPV, and it's actually pretty simple. All you need is a camera, built-in receiver, goggles or screen thingamajig, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, look, you can't cheat. He's got the old goggles on. I reckon he's going to make it as far as this little ramp thing here, and that'll be it. Game over. Oh, he's made it on the first bit.
I feel this being a lot less technical and a lot more just pull the trigger and see what happens.
Easier. Oh, this is wicked. That's so much fun. Did we go over the live post before to go over that bit?
Yeah.
you go. Oh, going the other side.
It's well good. Oh! Alright, we've just re-modified the track and we're going to do a time trial. Whoever gets it done first is the winner. If you crash somewhere, you get put roughly 1 metre back. 2, 1, go!
No!
Ah, so he goes back 1 metre.
Ah, don't. Oh, yeah.
Oh yes. Don't forget to allow for the rear end kicking out when you steer.
Right. Oh, there we go.
There we go, now it gets easier. That's the hard bit done. Time wise, we are on 2 minutes, 42 seconds.
Oh, that's pretty amazing.
Coming up to the umbrella section.
Right, take it nice and easy.
By the way guys, obviously I'm going to be cutting out the bits where not much is happening. Otherwise the video is going to be like stupidly long. But you'll still see it at the time at the end. Oh, and he just makes it. Next, we've got the ramp off death. This is a death slide. Hey! Alright, I'm not going under there. So next, the ramp. Are you losing signal on yours?
Yep. Whoop. Oh, there we go. Oh no!
What happened?
I can't see anything.
Uh-oh. The finish line is coming up. Oh. Stop button.
Bang.
Stop button.
Oh dear.
We call that 6 minutes. What happened?
That's what I could see. It's pretty hard drawing.
Oh, I've got to try and beat 6 minutes then.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh.
FPV time to flash.
Yeah.
Ah.
Back to the beginning.
Oh no! That's where the time goes, isn't it, this bit?
Oh. No, you're okay now. You got it. Forward. Yes.
Where have we got to go now? Up here?
Yep.
Umbrella next to it?
Yep. 2 minute 13.
Oh no!
That's it.
Oh, here we go! Oh, here we go! Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh, I done it in 3 minutes 41! Who's the winner? Guys, that was a lot of fun. It was definitely a lot more fun than what I first thought. So guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon. Bye.